lucky compared to us that we travel, bro. It takes me 30 minutes to get E85 one way.
Oh man. And on the way back, you already wasted a quarter?
To be honest, it's not that bad when you're not pushing it, but as soon as you open this shit up, bro,
it's a wrap.
It's a wrap, bro. These things loves to drink E85.
And this is the RSX on E. What's the current setup?
It's 2.0 full Boltons, ported RBC, 3.5 inch intake, 3-inch full exhaust. That's why you hear rattling. 290/85 by hobby. That's it. That's the trick. There's nothing else.
Nice. I'm gonna show you what the outside look like. But this car is clean. It's a clean car.
Riding on BCs now, which made a big difference. That's why I think they got to touch the map up. I don't know if you can hear it.
Yeah.
Kind of like Shit still got a horn and everything, B.
It's a street car. Time for some brakes.
Yeah, this thing's pissed off.
But
They
that's,
actually cracked, nigga. I shouldn't even be doing that.
that's driving 101 for you right there. Damn, this thing moves.
It picks up. You see what I tell you about third gear?
Yeah.
Or the 4-3 final drive. Now the 4-7. And it's still order. The car has nothing. No pistons, no rods, no springs, no retainers, stock cams, everything.
It's just a simple setup and it
works.
pulls.
It works. Them BCs, you felt that, bro. It was just
Yeah.
what it worked.
These coilovers feel amazing.
Definitely worth spending the money on the coilovers. It makes a big difference. Before, with the suspension it had, I was trying to race people and I couldn't open up the car fast enough because the wheel hop was just, it was unbearable. Really, 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 really strong wheel hop.
Oh, this car feels, oh my.
Oh, and the fresh plugs.
And the fresh set of plugs just now.
Just now, you gotta get them plugs. Them plugs is life.
You gotta break in them plugs, that's how you break it in.
Send it,
Can't wait to see this car on spray.
We'll see what he can take. From a raw, I could take STIs already. I don't know what the mods are like. People I've seen on the road. I've taken WRXs, STIs, 350s.
Damn, whole fleet of cars.
I raced a 5.0.
How was that?
Very close.
Very close?
Very close. But I feel like that was his territory. You know, I'm rolling at a high RPM. He makes more power than I do.
Yeah.
So I thought he was gonna get me, but it was very, very close. It was like within fender reach both ways. Cause at a point I'm in front, at a point he's in front. When he shifts, I jump, and then he comes back around. So. Here.
So still street tire.
It's still a street tire.
Time for semis.
I don't want to hurt the trans. I'd rather spin, bro, and try to catch up than go through like trans. I'm gonna be honest with you.
What that? Damn. This is sucking up a lot of air.
3.5
Jesus.
to the 74 mil or 72 mil throttle. I don't remember.
Okay.
It has Bogarts. No, not Bogarts. Shit, I keep forgetting the name. They're a rare wheel. They don't make them no more, so they discontinue.
These wheels are nice.
Oh, Void. That's the name of the company, Void.
If you want to get rid of these wheels, you let me know.
Yeah. They're actually going for 12.
Nice.
Funny. That's what you'll find a set of these. And like I told you, all season tires, 225, 45, 17s on them.
Yeah.
You know, overall it's just stock look.
Clean car. Clean.
These cars are like timeless. Every time you look at them, it's just, they don't look like a 05, 06.
Oh yeah. And I love this look, 0506 look, front and rear.
And we're just gonna have fun here in Orlando. Hopefully we're able to ride with everybody.
Oh yeah.
You know, I already got Steve from High Boost, I think. Yeah, Steve. With the EP3. I'm sorry, Stefan with the EP3. Steve got the cool. Bay, they're all family. C's High Boost. We all ride together. Pure Fab, which is my brother. That's my right hand man, bro. Anything that I have any questions before I ask anybody, I ask him. Which he also does all our fab work. Obviously his car was tuned by Avi, like I said. It might get a retune pretty soon. I don't know yet.
Ooh.
I gotta test the plugs by myself. Remember, being on the car with somebody and being by yourself, the car is two different feels.
Oh yeah.
So you felt the way it pulled
Yeah.
when you in the car.
Oh yeah.
And you weigh about what?
200.
200? I weigh 140.
210. 205 around there.
I weighed a buck 43, which was this morning because I weighed myself. A buck 43, so it's fun, nigga. I tell you that. It's fun. I love this thing.
Oh man.
I don't think I would have this much fun in another chassis as I do on the RSX.
Hey.
And like I said, bro, it's a heavy car. It's hard to get out the hole, but once I click third gear, you seen what that third and fourth feel like.
Oh yeah.
I'll chase pretty much anything on the road down, B.
Hey.
I need that rematch with that 5.0 though.
Oh shit.
Because we opened up like third or fourth, and we were right there.
Okay.
So second gear will be interesting because I know those cars got power too. You know, they're no slouch. The car I ran did not sound stock. You know, at least bolt-on wise. So we'll see. I got a couple runs lined up, like I showed you, those SIs and those RSX that called me out.
Yeah.
So
Well,
I'll be seeing a lot of this.
hopefully Friday I'll be out with this car and let's see what trouble we could get into. Because we're gonna get into a whole lot of trouble. But here it is.